Hello, dear children. I hope you are learning and happy at your home. So, we had read chapter number 6, right? So, what's it about? It's about a bird, raven, right? So, and we came to know that if you love someone or care someone or something, that it bring you something positive in your life and teach you something positivity in your life to see the world in a proper way, right? Or hopeful, you can say. But today we are not going to discuss worksheet because that will do, definitely will do. But I think that let us complete the course of term 1. Only one poem remain, that is Friends. After completing this poem, we'll start discussing worksheet. There will first we'll discuss chapter 6 and the poem. Then we'll begin from the beginning part of it. Okay, so you don't worry about that. We'll discuss all each and everything in a proper or in a detailed manner. Till then, keep patience. I'll teach you everything what you need or what you need to learn. Okay, so the poem, what is the name of the poem? Friends, right? Friends. If the title will be friend, then maybe talking about only one friend, but it is written friends. That means so many friends. Okay, so how it, see, and what is the picture then describes? See the picture, it is a tree. We can see sun rays, a leaf falling, right? Some grasses are there, and it is in open area. So what is the relation between the poem and this scenery? We'll learn, but before that, as usual, how do we start any chapter or any poem? By practicing reading. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. How many stanzas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this poem consists of 4 stanza, and each stanza has how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines stanza. So at the very beginning, before going to read, you just write down 4 line stanza. Okay, 4 line stanza known as quatrain. What? Quatrain. 4 line stanza known as quatrain. Like the 2 line stanza known as couplet, 4 line stanza known as quatrain. So you can ask me then 5 line stanza, 6 line stanza. When you will read this type of stanza, I'll tell you what we call them, because you forget easily now if I say now. So 4 line stanza known as quatrain. So let us ready? Yes, ready. Pick your pencil and read and follow me line to line. Okay. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The sky is like a kind big smile bent sweetly over me. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head and kisses me upon the face like mother before bed. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things. And though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings. So many gentle friends are near, whom one can scarcely see. A child should never feel of fear, wherever he may be. So this is all about poem we read. Okay, the poem is written by Abby Farwell Brown. Who has written the poem? Abby Farwell Brown. Okay, let us read some difficult words given for you. Read with me. Flickers. Flickers means of light. It's talking about of lights. Shakes unsteadily. Means idhar udhar hona, right? Come stealing means moves quietly without anyone seeing it. Chupke chupke, that means. Okay. Over. See, it is the correct spelling is over, but in old English they used to write the pronunciation. Pronunciation जैसे हम बोलते हैं उसी तरह से वो लिखते हैं. करेक्ट स्पेलिंग नहीं लिखते. They don't write the correct spelling, but they write the correct pronunciation. Over is over, that we used to call, right? We Indian pronounce something like that. Scarcely mean hardly. बहुत ही कम, नहीं के बराबर. That is known as hardly or scarcely. Okay. Here, let us read little bit about Abby Farwell Brown. Okay. She born in 1871 and died in 1927. Okay. So how many years? Let us subtract is 27 minus 1871. That means 7 minus 1, 6. If you borrow, then 12 minus 7, 5. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yes, of course. Fine. So 56 years. So she alive for 56 years. Okay. Has written many stories, and she has written many stories, plays and poems. So what she has written? Many stories, plays and poems. Also you can call poems. Okay, because we Indian call it poems only, but if you follow British, it is poems. Poems for children, and she writes for children. Okay, like you. Most of her poems have been turned into songs, and whatever poems she has written in past years, that poem turn into songs which are sung by children in school. तो उन्होंने जो भी पोम लिखा है वो पोम क्या हो गया? सॉन्ग में कन्वर्ट हो गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट गुलजार, हाँ यस, गुलजार, शी हैज दैट पोएट गुलजार, he has written many poetry or poems. Okay, and the poem become song, film song, Bollywood song. Okay, if I will give you example of him, that is what to call, तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं. That was a poem, but later on it turned to a song. Okay, and but her poetry or poem turned into song and which had been or are being sung by the school children. In this poem, the poet says that nature is a child's friend. So in this poem, that means the poem Friend, here the poet wanted to say that nature is friend of a child. There is no need to be afraid of anything, and that is the reason we should not afraid of anything, because nature is friends for child or for everyone actually, because the sun, the sky and the wind are around to protect us. Okay, you no need to scare because we have so many friends in the nature. Okay, like sun, sky and wind, and they are around us because to protect us. Okay, now how they protect us, that we'll learn in the poem. Okay, now let us underline some rhyming word. Okay, that I taught you already. What is rhyming word? Okay, similar sound. See, while, smile, both sounds similar. So while and smile both are rhyming word. Tree and me both are little bit similar in sound. So tree and me both are rhyming word. Less, face, rhyming word. Head, bed, rhyming words. Grass, pass, both are rhyming words. Things, wings, rhyming words. Near, fear, both are rhyming each other. See, be, rhyming each other. So these are rhyming words. Okay, write down in your notebook, or I'll tell you again while I will explain the poem in detail. Till then, read it again. Write down this poem in your FNB. Okay, homework is for you that write down this poem in your FNB nicely. You can draw the picture. You can make the cover page for it in your FNB itself. Write down the title, Friends. Okay, and in the next page you write the difficult words. See, there are only given 3 difficult words, but if you found many difficult words in it, you can write more. Okay, let us find out more little bit. I don't think there are lots of difficult words for you. Yeah, only these words are difficult, but maybe meanings are different, right? Okay, so see you in our next class. Till then, be safe and read. Okay.